Hi guys, so today we're continuing with circle theorems. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the 4 circle theorems and apply these theorems to a variety of questions. Let's just remind ourselves of what we went over in last lesson. Our first theorem states that the angle of a centre of a circle standing on a given arc is twice the angle at any point of the circle standing on the same arc. So as we can see here, angle BOC is twice the angle EAC. The next theorem we need to know is that all angles at points on a circle standing on the same arc are of equal net measure. Angle B is equal to angle D, as both of them are standing on the same arc. And both of these angles are half the angle AOC. A cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral where all 4 corners are lying on the circle. If you have a cyclic quadrilateral, then opposite sides add up to 180 degrees. So here's our cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Each angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So if we have a semicircle, as we do here, it forms a right angle. If the angle standing on a chord BC at some point of the circle is a right angle, then BC is the diameter. So if you have a right angle, then your hypotenuse will be the diameter of your circle. Let's take a moment to summarize these 4 theorems that we went over in last lesson. Angles subtended from the same arc are equal. Angles at the centre are double the angle on the outside when subtended from the same arc. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. An angle subtended from the diameter is a right angle. Let's try an example question. Here, we're going to use our circle theorems to find the values of x and to find the value of y. Let's start with finding the value of x. As we can see here, x is lying on the circle. The angle at the centre is twice the angle at the outside. This means that angle x is a half of 180. Angle x is equal to 59 degrees. Okay, let's try and solve for y. So here I'm going to draw out my shape and see what I know about this. I know that angle x is 59. I'm looking for angle y. I know that this is 38, B is 38. And I don't know angle O, but I know the outside part of it is 118. Okay, first, what type of shape do I have here? I have 4 vertices, and therefore I have a quadrilateral. When we have a quadrilateral, we know that all 4 angles are going to equal 360 degrees. This means that angle B plus angle O plus angle C plus angle A equals 360 degrees. Let's try and find what angle O is. Okay, let's try and find angle Y. So we know that the angle at O is 360 degrees minus 118. This gives us an angle of 242. We know that the angles inside a quadrilateral will always equal 360 degrees. This means that 38 plus 59 plus y plus 242 equals 360. Solving this out gives us y plus 339 equals 360. Therefore, y is equal to 360 minus 339, and we get an angle of y as 21 degrees. Okay guys, I would now like you to go to your books on page 256. This is exercise 15.7 and try question 2, 3 and 4.